Yep. Well, this morning's been interesting. What's up with this lighting? Jeez. Bro, I asked my buddy, he does professional video editing, and I was like asking him about some advice for my stuff, and he said it's very important to have your lighting on point. So now I'm all my lighting. One minute, I know, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I was like sad that I was not streaming for that. Cause let's go over the 1 minute. This has everything for my checklist, right? Sweep, FVG size, delivery. We had an SMT. We had targets, 930 wick. I mean, that was fire. But something else that I did want to look at too was, or I was looking at, right? Was this 3 minute right here to run the highs and the data high? And then it closed way up here. So yeah, that was cooked. But yeah. Wait a minute. Why did it say save replay? Did you guys see that? Is that like a new thing? Oh, that's kind of cool. So you can leave your replay and have it be where you were before. That's cool. I didn't know they did that now. Man, all this LRLR down here. We got the Jolts data low down here. We're almost to the top of this. Man, it's hard not to long right here because I think this might run this LRLR, but I mean, I don't have a model right here, so don't just long because we wanna. That doesn't make sense. Wait, where's my coffee at? Man, I feel like this is gonna pump. Does anyone else have that vibe? $7.13 probably. Just tapped into this last little. It's kind of a. Let's see. Maybe not. Just use the click buy model, bro. You might be right. I feel like we're heading to 7:30. Got quite a bit to get through to the left, but Higher time frame does look like that's where we might go. So we're blasting through this last 15-minute gap right here. There's another one right here. You guys gonna judge me if I hop in this or what? I'm playing. ES takes these triple equal highs. Let's see what happens. Let's take a look. Because we've been super uncorrelated all day. ES has equal highs up here. "15-second short." So he swept the data high. It wasn't really like an abnormal wick. It was just kind of the wick from the data candle. That's all. 65. I don't really see any entries for me just yet. Dude, I know this 1 minute's kind of small, but like... Sheesh. So, obviously, after how things went yesterday, I'm not in the mood to be impatient. 2-minute playing out, how would you rate it? Where? Oh, this 2-minute long? It's okay. There wasn't really any delivery. There was a little bit of a sweep right here, I guess. It's probably like a B setup. Yeah, it's probably a B setup. You could probably like give it a little bit more confidence because the data high, but as far as the mechanical setup goes, it was kind of mid. But there is a strong draw, so there's that. Just depends on how confident you were on the draw, I guess. Kind of like we have this 30-second here, right? I mean, I feel like we're going to go higher. This could be a confirmation entry to rip. But I'm just going to wait. Did we put in an SMT just now? So we have a little bit of an SMT here, and then like this 30-second down doesn't fit my checklist. It's not a big enough gap, so I will not be taking that. Like, doesn't fit my checklist at all, but 30-second long confirmation is a perfect example of being patient. Yeah, I'm chilling. I mean, this came up. We just swept this. Why would we turn around right there? Okay. Well, apparently this 30-second short is printing. Is there anything for us to try and get in here? Not really. So, literally just chilling. There is this little 1 minute right here that it's a little small for my style, but I feel like it could work to tap down into this BPR. But I'm chilling right now. It's a 3-point gap, so yeah, we have really nice delivery here. We swept the highs, right? We tapped into this last 30-second and another 15-minute that's been holding us down. So I could totally see like a retrace right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna be live till lunch starts, and then I'll hop off, and then I'll be back on for PM. So, but I figured I'd try and get an hour in since I didn't stream this morning. Wait until ES breaks the 10 a.m. high. 10 a.m. high. So we do have an bruh, English is hard. We do have an SMT right now with the 10 a.m. high, which okay, for some reason my gut is really eyeballing us inversing this 2-minute BPR. So it'd be something like that. And then my target would be ES sweeping the data low. So whenever ES swept the data low, that's when I'd get out. But that's only obviously if we got that. It would almost be nicer, maybe we break this SMT, tap into this gap up here, and try and get a short after breaking the SMT. You guys, I don't know. I'm starting to be like, this 5-minute BPR down here is like everything right now. It's holding us up like crazy. Like we inverse the 4 hour down and we're still not dumping. Tomorrow is a pretty big news day. I'm really hyped that we got 2 streams tomorrow. That's going to be sick. Hello. 6696. So we just tapped into this 30-second BPR. We'll see how we react on that. Do you guys know who Zeusy is? He changed his name recently, but it used to be Zeusy. I remember you talking about the V in FVG strategy. I trade inversion fair value gaps. Yeah, Frank 369. Yeah, so his WAP apparently was a member. I'm apparently a member. It's Frank 369. I'm apparently a member of his free WAP, and he sent me a thing for like a new free SMT indicator, and low key I was thinking about trying it out. He probably changed his name because everyone was calling him out for being a scammer. Yep. I think somebody did. Man, I wonder if he has an iMan video or not. I can't remember. But somebody was calling him out for being a scammer, and I was like, damn. For me, when you claim you've cracked the code, you're scamming. Yeah, you guys, is that what I need to start doing? In all my titles, I just gotta be like, crack the code again today. So stupid, dude. I have been trading towards FVG, making FVGs my target, but I get effed up when there are sharp movements. Yeah, usually we try and use FVGs and inverses as direction, and then try and target unfilled FVGs. But if you're not familiar with iFVGs, I would recommend going to Dodgy DD channel because he has all the beginner iFVG stuff. Okay, what's going on here? Honestly, no inverse there. Listen, you guys, I totally understand that some people have like totally figured out time cycles and all this crazy shit, but my issue that I have is when I start trying to find any bit of somebody doing it live, that's always my problem because I never can. Like shit. I would rather be barely profitable and do it all live than try and claim that I am some freaking fancy ass that has everything all figured out. Damn, this is like flying, dude. So this 30-second low key, I was eyeballing it, but we didn't get it. So do we break the SMT now? So we finally broke the SMT. So I can remove that. We're still in this 15-minute right here. 30-minute. It's a 30-minute. Draw out this little 4-hour right here because we haven't been able to inverse that yet. So we could see a bounce out of there. So we just left perfect equal highs. Y'all know what that means. P15. 698 to 703. Just inverse the 30-second down right there. I'm. Where's Johnny when we need him? This 30-second might work out, honestly. So, you know, this is just one of those days. Nothing's obvious. There's a few things that did look obvious, but then they just everything that I keep looking at keeps triggering invalid. So it sucks. Let's look at ES real quick. So now we have a big SMT with ES, right? There is this little 1 minute right here that we just bounced out of. Yeah. Okay, this 1 minute looks pretty good. It's a little small, but it looks pretty good. Pause. Are we getting this on yet? Oh. My computer's freezing. Bro, but I'm trying to like trade and stuff. Hello? Bro. So the 1 minute didn't inverse on that. Ooh. ES is still not even close to inversing this. This has been like the biggest issue for me today. It's just uncorrelation and everything's going invalid. Yeah. Well, and again, tomorrow is a huge, news day, so it makes sense for today to be wonky. Plus, we had news this morning too, double news. Somehow my coffee's gone again. So we just wicked up into this 30-second. That held. ES is literally just putting in dojis. No inverse again. Okay. What you doing? Like the data low just sitting down there. I want a reason to hit it. Well, the reason to hit it now would be ES sweeping all this buy side and NQ having an SMT. I mean, that's pretty bearish. But we're kind of just not doing anything obvious right now, so. Yeah. Yeah, it's good to dodge. Exactly. Two-minute 1050. I need that, but in the opposite direction. Yeah, that's what I was saying a second ago. Was like, man, if we inverse that 2-minute down there, that would be fire. Because there's so much LRLR down here and a little data low. Super obvious BPR. So that would be sick. Tapped up into this 30-second again. Jeez, man. Dude, ES is like barely moving. So ES has a 3-minute. So that inversed barely, but I'm watching this 3 minute on ES too. Yikes. Now NQ's just flying and ES is down here chilling. Well, it's not flying, but it's moving up, and then ES is not. So we're still just like so uncorrelated, dude. Okay. Now ES is starting to push down a little better. So we'd have another minute till the 3 minute on ES closed. Okay, so I'll try this now since it inversed on ES.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
We will see. So I think if I can get to here, that would be my BE probably. Probably will drag my stop a little closer now. Not BE, but just closer. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Uh-oh, I'm cooked. So hopefully this 30-second doesn't inverse. Yes, did leave some equal lows. Oh, I'm cooked. So that was like a 9-ish point loss. So no big deal. Now I'll just wait for something better. I think we just need to be looking for longs, chat. So we left these relative equal lows down here. And equal lows on ES. So maybe NQ just wants to sweep this high at 712. Okay. If we get this 1 minute short, I'm trying that. I'm trying again. If we get this one, it'd be way better than the one we just took. That's for sure. So Don't need a big stop loss. ES still looks like trash. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. Get a little OB. Get a little OB with it. So do we get this 1 minute? So no close there. Bruh. What up, Alex? Had a huge sweep of the lows on M and Q. Still no close there. Bro, I swear if this starts yoinking, I'm hopping in. 2 minute closed. Okay, I'm getting in. I
Order
like this
submitted.
momentum, dude. I don't care. I will just try my luck. Bye.
Order
We got
submitted.
15 more seconds till the close.
Order submitted.
You bitched out. Yoinking. So hopefully this can at least hit my BE. There's the BE. Hopefully it does. Like my dream TP would be down here, honestly, but there's just this fat 2-minute BPR that we could bounce out of. Doggy student, yeah. Almost tapped into this 2-minute. Damn, man. Hopefully that was just a wick up for this 15-minute open candle. We like left relative equal lows down here. Chat, sounds like that our puppy is out there being an absolute menace. Missed the short. Probably gonna get beat anyway. Does anyone else see this 1 minute long? I'm also considering this long now. Yeah, I do like this long. So the 2 minute is about to inverse, maybe. Nope, 2 minute didn't inverse. Looking at the 3 minute, we're in a macro time. We have this SMT above. Really good targets above. Oh my. Careful with the 3 minute. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. As long as we don't sweep this high before we get the close, which
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
how far is this? Targeting relative equal highs. Yeah. So because there's this gap to the left, right here, I think if we do get the pop over this high, I'll probably go B. Should we average in? I'll be right back. There's that high. Part of me is like, bro, don't go BE yet. I don't think I'm going to yet, dude. Okay, now I will, because this momentum's getting better. And I'm BE there. All right. I'm ending stream for now. I'll see you guys PM, dude. This is trash. This should be flying.